How to create a WhatsApp account. So if you want to create a WhatsApp account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you just need simply open up your WhatsApp application. After opening, go with agree and continue, which is on the bottom. Now here you need to enter your country code. First select your country. After selecting your country, go with the phone number, enter your phone number. Once you're done with the phone number, you need to go with next. And if it says is it correct, then you need to double check if it's correct or not, and if it's correct, then you need to go with yes. But if it's not, then you can go with edit and then again edit your phone number and then go with next. So click on yes, and once you click on yes, it will ask you for the profile information. You need to enter your name. You need to add a profile photo. You can tap on the camera shaped icon to tap on your profile photo or add your profile photo. Once you've added your profile photo and your name, you can go with next or proceed and allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, your music and audio on your device, and after that your account will be created. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.